How exciting. You've just placed an offer. What happens next? Well, besides biting your nails and sitting on your hands and trying not to think about it, but being unable to think of anything else. So there are three things that can happen after you've submitted an offer. It can be accepted, yahoo, the seller loves your offer and the contract gets signed. The second thing is that your offer could be rejected. The seller didn't love your offer and they have moved on with someone else's offer. The third option is that the seller's not in love with your offer, but they're willing to negotiate. So they will come back to you with a counter offer. That may be, have you got another $5,000? It may be, are you able to reduce the settlement to something that is not as long? There could be any reason why they would come back with a counter offer. If your offer is accepted, immediately tell your conveyancer, get your inspections booked for building and pest inspections, immediately get your finance arranged and keep conducting any due diligence that still needs to be done because you still have that 5-day cooling off period unless you waive it. If the sales agent calls you to discuss your offer, that is a good sign, especially in a hot market. If the agent wants to start negotiating with you, that's excellent. It can be difficult though, because they may also be negotiating with other buyers and you won't know. My advice is if you want clarity, ask the sales agent, are you negotiating with any other buyers at the moment? And they'll give you their answer. The sales agent owns the process, so you will be in the dark as to what's going on unless you ask questions and get clear answers. There are 3 ways you can find out more about what is actually going on. And one is to ask those strategic questions before placing your offer, ask strategic questions after you place your offer, and ask strategic questions whilst you're negotiating. Good luck.